First, unlock the locks at the bottom of the Flying Wings 270 in Tour. Press the buckles on both sides of the lock with your finger at the same time. Unlock. After unlocking the bottom for locks, hold the middle handle of the Flying Wing 270. Lift the shell up. Housing can be adjusted to any angle for hovering. Then unlock the Velcro in the Flying Wing 270 in Tour. Let the cloth surface unfold naturally. After unlocking the Velcro, put the outermost aluminum rod, pull away along the axis of rotatio, up to the fully expanded state. Put the hook on one side, buckle on the fixed pull ring of the Flying Wing 270, hook with tightening function on the other side. Buckle in any fixed place. Then tighten the clasp so it's fully unfolded. So far, the Flying Wing 270 is opened and completed. First, undo the clasp. After the clasp is loosened, remove the hook homeopathically. Retract the Flying Wing 270 aluminum rod in the direction of the rotating axis. Secure the first Velcro on the outside to ensure that the aluminum rod does not unfold a guy. Then fold the outer cloth surface in half to the top, and we roll it up from the bottom. After rolling to the top, fix the middle position with Velcro. Make sure the cloth doesn't unfold. Then fix the remaining Velcro in sequence. Hold the handle of the Flying Wing 270 shell and close the shell down. Buckle back the bottom for locks in Tour. Lock complete when you hear a click. So far, the storage of the Flying Wing 270 is completed.
ATA Overland.